I guess it's no secret that my favorite cartoon character is Woody Woodpecker. Usually he's dashing around cooking up mischief, but it isn't all his fault, because he couldn't get around at all without our help. Maybe you'd like to see how we do it. The artist who makes Woody move is known as an animator. His job requires a lot of talent and many years of experience. He works at this special drawing board. There's a round metal plate with glass in the center that can be moved to any position you want. And underneath is a light that shines up through the paper that the animator works on. There are 2 sets of pegs on the board, and the paper the animator uses is punched so that it fits right over these pegs. In order to have a cartoon character move, the animator must make a series of drawings to show that action. To do this, the animator places a sheet of paper on the pegs, then draws the first position of the character. He then puts another sheet on the pegs. The first drawing acts as a guide in drawing the second position of the arm. It requires 12 drawings to raise the arm slowly. When he has completed a series of drawings, the animator can flip them to see the action. To get the action on film, we photograph each drawing separately. This is the result. Each one of these little squares, or frames, has a picture of one drawing on it. I know this is too small for you to see the pictures, so we made a large photograph of it. These are the individual pictures of drawings, and when they move real fast through the projector, we see the action. Now let's see how that action looks after it's been put on film. As you can see, there's a lot of work in bringing cartoon characters to life. As a matter of fact, there's much more to the animator's job than I've been able to show you. But I'll tell you more about it on another one of our shows.